Hi there, I'm Wendy, and I wanted to show you some of the books that are going to be in the kit for February. February's kit is $40, but you get all of these books for $40 plus a website if you want to work the business, which is crazy. Let me just show you a couple of the books and what they look like inside so you know exactly what you're going to get. This is $5.99. This baby slide and see animals is adorable. It's got slides instead of flaps, so the mommy doesn't have to worry about, or the daddy doesn't have to worry about it breaking. $14.99. Here we go inside. Look at this. Oh. We've got Nibbles. Nibbles has taken the book world by storm. Nibbles his way through other fairy tales, and he discovers that he really enjoys actually eating books. So Nibbles is $16.99, and he is amazing. He's also got a little plush that comes with him too. If you want Raccoon on the Moon, an amazing classic phonics book that we have, $6.99. Lots of ooh sounds. All right, Quotes from Shakespeare is another one offered in the kit for February, and it is $6.99. Let me show you inside. You can color the posters, the kind of poster type pages, and on the back it has information about the quote, which is amazing. And we've got Cordelia. Cordelia is an amazing story about empowerment. I love her so much. $6.99. And last but not least, one of our flashlight books called Secrets of the Seashore. Now, I don't have this one on hand. I have Secrets of the Apple Tree, but I will show you inside. What you do is you shine a flashlight behind the page and the image will appear. So kids love these books, and they're a great way to introduce them to nonfiction. The value of this is $12.99. So when you do the math, it is rock bottom for $40. All these books come in your kit. When you have questions, please write them below or message me. I'm more than happy to answer questions, and I hope that this was helpful for you if you're deciding on whether or not you should enroll.